Hey everyone, Keith here again, back from binaryoptionstested.com, and today I'm going to be looking into a new auto trading software which came out recently. It's called Wall Street Trading Software. I'm sure you guys may not have heard of it because it's quite new. I looked into it and I studied it and I opened an account with them. It seems very interesting, and definitely it has passed a lot of the criteria that we would like in a good auto trading system. So we will get started on that now. Just before I jump on to the Wall Street Trading Software website, I just wanted to let all our viewers know that we provide free support for binary option brokers and auto trading softwares before and after sign up. And it's free for everyone. So if you have any questions, just go to Free Support Center on our website and we would be happy to help you out. Okay, so we have done some initial review for Wall Street Trading Software. I'm going to click on the link and go to with the secure link, go to their website and then go from there. Okay, so it's loaded. Okay,
are you tired of trading softwares which
now I
don't
have
live up
already
to the
watched the
hype?
video
Are you tired of losing trades?
and
Are you
it's
tired of
quite
not
good.
getting help when you need
It's
it?
not one of those scammy systems will tell you, it'll make you become rich, and it's none of that. So there's no BS, and it looks pretty good. It's quite simple, and they have other links down here. You're free to look at them. And so I've already registered with my details. Okay, so I don't need to fill this out. I'm just gonna go straight to login here. Okay, so now today I'm just doing a walkthrough of this software. I may not do any trades today, but let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to put in my login details. So it's contact, yes, and it's saved. So I'll say login. And now this brings me to their trading room, and there is
Fantastic.
you
It's
can see
great
that.
to see you here. Feel free to look around your account and pick an available broker in your country to get the money flowing. Let me quickly give you a walkthrough of the system.
So the person is showing you with a video a tutorial of their system, but I can do that for you, but you can watch the video yourself. It's posted on our channel, and also if you register with the Wall Street Trading Software, you can go into your account and look around. Now this is very, very unique because I haven't seen a lot of or any of the auto trading software who will let you sign up first and then you can look around the system. Because a lot of the times when you sign up with auto trading software, you get a big pop-up. It blocks you from seeing what you can do in the system, and they just want you to deposit the money. Once you do that, it may not work, it may not be good, it may not have any function. You never know what's going to happen, but they just give you a big pop-up, and to pass that screen you have to put in money. So I don't see that happening here. It's very transparent. I like it. And so right now, when so this is what I've done so far. So I've registered with the website on the first page, which I showed you earlier. Then they sent me an email out, which I had to click confirm. Now a lot of the times this doesn't happen either. I don't know why. So you would have to confirm your email address. So I signed up. It sent me an email. I confirmed, and then I log into my account, and this is the page I see. So we are at the moment in the trading room. Okay, and the reason we are looking at this guy because I have not connected. There's an indication here to tell me that I need to connect my account with a broker first. So these controls here, they won't be on until you're connected to a broker. Okay, so it just tells me my name, hello, gives me the time. I'm not sure, the time is always incorrect for me for some reason. I don't know what geolocation I'm in, but okay, so that's the trading room. So I suppose once we are connected to the broker, it would enable all these functions for me, and then hopefully start giving me signals, and then we won't see this video. They've done quite a good job with their transparency and the quality of the the things they talk about in their video. It's very straight to the point. They're 100% not scam, definitely, and with time we will see how it works. Okay, so let me give you a walkthrough. So I'm in the trading room right now. So the next tab that you see is a customer support. Now, Wall Street trading software has received a high rating on binary options tested website because it's completely a brand new system, and everything they've said on the video has been delivered in their system. So that's why, and they've ticked all the boxes. So it's quite amazing actually. Okay, so they have their own customer support ticket system, which I haven't seen that in any of the auto trading software. They just give you an email address. You email them, they may or may not answer you, and that's it. But with this, you can create a new ticket, which is amazing, and it's tracked, so they know that you've asked them a question. You know that you have something outstanding that you've asked them, and they're gonna answer you. So I mean, your question won't get lost in your email. You know, a lot of the time you send an email and you have to go through a lot of your emails to find the answer. So it's none of that. You know, just create a ticket here, and I suppose they will answer you. I'm not going to create a ticket because I don't have a question yet, but I will be using this to ask them questions. Okay, so and the next tab you see is the profile. Now, I was in my profile tab, and I was able to change the background here and my profile picture here. Okay, and my gender, age, and phone number. I can update the details. It tells me my Wall Street trading software email address here. I can change my picture and the background, which is I found a very good wallpaper which I put in here, and so it's quite nice to look at. Okay, so it knows my location, so I don't have to do anything with that. There's a round gear here, and with that I can change the profile, I can edit it, and I can do my account, and I think to change password it's over here. So all I have to do is go in this link and I can change my password. Now, a lot of the times I've seen some of the auto trading softwares, their password system doesn't work properly. So I'm quite happy to see all these functionality coming into binary options in auto trading software. So it's a no gimmick system. Okay, there's no gimmicks. Everything works perfectly. So now, before I go into brokers tab, I'm going to jump to settings tab. Okay, so now this again is fantastic work that I see. It's telling me here that my account isn't connected to broker. That's fine. Tells me my name and stuff. Then I am not connected with any broker. It says connect now, and then my country again. So here we have some settings here. Okay, so settings are if I want the charts on or off, positions on and off, buttons, timers. I'm not sure what they are. Like, I'm not sure what buttons are and what these things are, but I'm gonna leave them alone for the moment, and I can turn on any widgets I want. Now this is fantastic because some of or all of the auto trading softwares, you have all these little pop-ups and sliding news and all that crap happening. It's very difficult for me to focus when you have all this moving text on your screen, and this way I can switch on and off the things that I want to see. So that's amazing, and that's exactly what the guy said in the video, that they don't give you a load of stuff that you don't want to see. You will only see what you want to see in your dashboard, and this is fantastic because I would like to have charts, yes, and I would like to have my positions, yes. So I'm going to turn these two on. For the moment I'll leave the charts off. So, and counter timer, okay, on, and I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure. Okay, let's turn this on also, and okay, that's about it. Okay, I'm not sure about quotes. Leave that. Oh, okay. So they're also offering referral commissions, and I can click here to see my referral report. So if I advertise this and other people sign up through my link, I will receive $100 from them, which is fantastic. Okay, so that's great. Now I'm going to go to the brokers tab now. Okay, finally. And I see that they have quite a lot of brokers here. I saw that earlier. Okay, so now they also have something called signals only mode. So if I switch that on, it's going to go into signals only mode. Okay, so basically I read into it, and you can use any broker with signals only mode, so you don't need to be connected with either of these. You can just have signals, and you can trade manually directly on to your own old broker, okay, or another broker. That doesn't matter. So I'm gonna leave that off. And now when we look at this list, okay, it's quite huge, and it's quite nice to have such great names, because a lot of the times auto trading softwares have all these these brokers which you never heard of, and like I've heard of all these brokers, so that's great, and it's my choice to choose the one I that's available in my country. Okay, now I see a lot of them says coming soon, which is understandable because uh, it is a brand new system, so I suppose this is coming on. And actually, last week I only saw Magnum Options as the only available broker. There wasn't any other. So these have suddenly popped up yesterday. And then I said, okay, definitely I can now. However, I've already registered with Magnum Options, so I'm going to, and that's the only one that's actually online. So I'm going to show you how to connect to that account, okay? Because I'm already registered. So you have to press connect here. Now you have an option here. You see, you want a new account or existing account. Now I am going to go with existing account, but if you're a new account, you press this one, and then it tells you your details of your account. Now these details are coming from your profile, okay? So if you change that in your profile, you will see that you can change these details, so make sure they are correct before you register, okay? So if I go in my user, I see that this is my phone number, it's correct, my name is correct. So if I go to edit profile, I think, let's see that. So if I go to edit profile, no, actually no, that's not it. Wait 1 second. That's no. Okay, let's go to my account. Maybe it's my account. You can change your name. So when you signed up with your Wall Street trading software, you can see your name. So when make sure all of these four information are correct: your country, your name and last name. And so like I only put an I, and it should be really a full name, but I've just put an I. But you should have the full name, so all the details are correct. Okay, so this is a new account, and I can choose the currency I want. So I suppose my Magnum Options operate in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 currencies, and then I will. Now this is again very unique feature. I haven't seen that in any auto trading software before, that you can actually choose a different email address to the one you signed up with Wall Street trading software. And the reason behind that, a lot of people have registration problems, okay, because email might be taken already, they might have registered, or somebody else might have registered with your email address. You don't know, and they've made a mistake, and that was your email is taken. You can't register with them, and then for that reason, you have to make a brand new email and register again on the auto trading software, and then try to register. It's quite difficult. But with this, what you can do, you can so basically you can stay with, for example, my account with Wall Street Trading Software is contact@binaryoptionstester.com. But you see, I already had account with them, so then I was able to sign up with, say, Keith1, okay, and that's what I have. So and then I press registered, and then it did a pop-up for me. Then I lodged my $200, and that was it. And then I was able, and then I disconnected. So right now I'm gonna go with existing because I've already an open account. So when I press existing, I see that there, I don't know what it says for all. So it says something to do with if you're not registered through here, it will only give you signals mode, okay, which is okay. So now I will press connect finally, okay, and nothing happened. Okay, all right, okay, right, okay. So I see that it says it's connected with my email address, and then it says it's connected. So looks like we are connected. The information, the pop-up that was coming up, it's gone. And if I even reload the page, it will still say connected. Okay, so let's reload the page, make sure everything is okay. I mean, so that's fine. I'm connected with my account with Magnum Options. And now it also tells you the start trading from. So it tells you how much you need to invest in that particular broker. So for Magnum Options 200, TR binary options 200, Tropical Trade is 200, Ox Market is 250, U binary it's 250, Optech is 250, FinPari is 250, Option Bit is 250. Okay, so and I can decide which broker I want, and hopefully these will be coming online soon. I will make an update video once they are, when I see them. Okay, so let's go to the trading room, and okay, so I will click here. So I'm going to my trading room now and see if anything has changed, because we are connected with the broker now. Okay, so now I see, all right. Now I see signals, yes, I see, and I see my name as before, Magnum Options account number, okay, the name, okay, so I can see the amount, the time, time is same as my computer, okay, and then I see signals, okay, it's telling me that gold versus oil, it's telling me a call signal for gold versus oil, and then it's going to close in 10 minutes and 43 seconds. So that means if I don't press this call button, okay, I haven't pressed it, this is a button, so I have 10 minutes to take this signal if I want. Okay, now there's Deutsche Telekom, that it will close in 5 minutes, and I have 5 minutes before I have to press this button here, and then Euro and Australian dollar. I have 10 minutes for this, and I have positions. I have no positions. That means it's my brand new account. I haven't taken single position yet, so it's showing me nothing. Now, if I head over to the Magnum Options broker website, I see here that it's got my balance up here, and it's got my account, and I can trade on them. Now the problem here is that there's quite a lot of signals again, not signals but assets to trade from, and I don't know which one is the best signal to take, and that's where the auto trading software comes in, because I can actually press put or call. It could be either way, but the reason we have auto trading software, that means it tells you which one is the most likelihood of it to go that way. Okay, so these three are going to be going for call. Okay, so I won't press them today yet. Now here it tells me that the signals for 14:30, okay, and the time is actually 15:10, so the time is wrong. Okay, so to fix that, if I go to the settings tab, because the time I have to match the time on my dashboard same as the time on my broker. Okay, so if you are in a different time zone than your broker, you're gonna have an issue with adjusting for the time zone that you have. So you can see the GMT time is actually 14:11. Okay, so that means I'm 1 hour plus, and that's why my clock on my computer says a different thing, and for that reason I see a different time here. Okay, so to fix that, because I want the time to match that of the broker, so I have to set back the clock 1 hour. So I put -1 here, and if I refresh the page here, okay, it took me some time to figure it out, but that's why I'm showing you. Okay, so all right, so we can see the time has fixed. All right, and we see the time is that of the broker, which is perfect, and we see that the signals will close at 14:30, and we've got about 19 minutes before we take this trade. But before we close the trades, the trades actually have lesser time, and then there's 10 minutes remaining for it to happen. So we've got 2.5 minutes to take the call signals on these three. So their call again, that's amazing. Okay, so then now it's given me Twitter, British American, T, Allianz SE. So this is great. Again, the signals are high quality, because in a lot of the auto trading softwares I've seen that they've got a lot of repetitive signals. It's always USD or USD or GBP. It's always mostly currencies. But with this one, I've seen huge range of signals, which is amazing. Okay, so now let me show you all of these controls here, because they've come online now because I'm connected to the broker. Okay, so here it says signal time, then risk level, it says $25 per hour. So what that means is that if I press auto, okay, it's going to place trades $25 for every hour. Okay, now, so if I change this to, say, for example, 2, that means it will take 2 trades, and my risk level will suddenly go from $25 to $50 because I'm taking 2 trades of $25 each. Okay, now I would recommend to keep these settings as low as possible, especially the trade amount, because if I increase the trade amount, okay, it's letting me to take it up to 30. Okay, so I recommend keeping it low. Now, you notice when you increase this setting to, say, 30, your risk level jumps to $60 per hour. Okay, so you can see that if you keep it low, that will keep it to 50. And there's also a shut-off timer, exactly what the guy said in the video, that if I want to run the Autotrader and I wanted to take 2 trades and I wanted to say take it on $25, and then I run it for 1 hour, that means in 1 hour I am going to risk $50. But if I increase this to, say, 2 hours, it's going to run for 2 hours, but my risk level will still be the same, $50 per hour, but it will run for 2 hours, and after that it will switch off itself, which is great. Okay, now let me show you what this Pro Trader is. Okay, if I switch on this button here, so you see these limits here. So this maximum goes up to 30, and this maximum goes to 2, and this maximum goes to 2, the hourly. Okay, and if I refresh my page, because I've changed the trading mode to Pro Trader, okay, and if I reload the page, I can see suddenly my capacity to increase my higher limits have gone more. So I can do now 4 trades an hour, and that means $120 per hour. And I can increase that to 50, and I can increase this to 4 hours, which is fantastic, because now this is huge now, because my risk level has gone to $200 per hour, which is quite a lot. So it's up to you, individual person. At $200 for one person does not have the same wealth as a person who can take $25. Okay, so for me, they're both quite a lot, but I always trade at the minimum amount as possible. Okay, until I'm very happy with the auto trading software, it's giving me a lot of winning signals, then I can increase it, which is great. But again, risk and reward, if you keep it at low, it's better. So now I'm going to bring it down to, say, 25, 1 and 1. So we keep that to 25, which is fine. And then I want to show you this another thing here. It says double signals. Okay, so if I switch that on, and if I reload my page here, I can see that now I will suddenly get double signals. Okay, so all right, I can see we've got Micron, Vodafone, Rio, Netflix, Nasdaq, Telefonica. Okay, so I'm getting double signals now. Now, interestingly, I've seen a lot of call signals. Okay, I haven't seen any put, so which is strange, but there might be something happening in the market which I'm not, like, I haven't checked the news today, so I'm not sure what's happening, why they're going up. I'm not sure why the system thinks that. Okay, now if I hit more signals, okay, so that's the auto trader button. You can switch it on and off. I can press it if you want. Okay, so I'll press it. Okay, so here it says auto trading, and oh, it's placing a trade for me, and 1 of 2 trades taken. Very interesting. Okay, so it says it's taken a trade, and then it will shut off itself in 59 minutes. So I don't see any trade taken, but I will switch it off. But I just wanted to show you because the video is getting quite long, and I just wanted to do a walkthrough of no trading today. But if you press on more signals, you will get more signals. Okay, so you can press that again and again and again until you're happy and you want to take that trade, and you can take it. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching. Do subscribe. If you're interested in this auto trading software, there's a secure link down below the video, and sign up with that. If you have any questions, we will give you free support before and after sign up support. This is a great system, just as fresh out of the market. You can also earn money while recommending this to other people. We will be making a follow-up videos, so if you subscribe to our channel, you will definitely get updates and you can see how this auto trade is performing. Okay, with that, avoid scams, make profits. Take care, goodbye.
Thank you, Keith, and thank you, BinaryOptionsTested.com, for great free before and free after sign-up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.